Love using Bricks Builder for your website? We have great news for you. We have just dropped the integration with Creator LMS and Bricks Builder. And now you can design your course pages with the built-in widgets that we have in Creator LMS using Bricks Builder. That's right. Let me show you a real quick tutorial on how to do that. As you can see, I've already installed and activated Bricks Builder on my website. I'm going to go ahead and create a page. So let's add a page. So let's say I want to add a new course listing page here. All right. So I'm going to click on Edit with Bricks. Here, as you already are familiar with the Bricks Builder, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the widgets. So let me click on a section. Let's add a section here. Here, I'm going to add, if you scroll down, you'll find the Creator LMS. All right. So here we have 4 widgets currently. So the first widget is the courses listing widget. The second one is the buy now button. The third one is the offer button. And the fourth one is the checkout. So you can design your own checkout page as well. Okay. So here, I'm just going to show you the listing page first. If you click on this, you'll see the options settings here. So you can change it to grid or the listing page. You can see it has been changed. And if you select the grid, you can add different layout style here. So let me show you the layouts a bit. This is 2, this is the third layout, and this is the fourth layout. All right. So I'm going to choose the basic one. Let's say the layout 2. You can change how many courses you want in per column. Currently, I only have 2 courses, so I'm going to keep the 2 courses here. You can add how many courses you want per page. So if you have multiple courses, like 20 or 30 courses, you can select that. Then you can add to show the filters, to show the searches, and if you want to sort the courses in a way. So here you have options to date, price, high to low, low to high, the top rated and top reviewed courses to be filtered. And you can also filter them with price and level types. So that's about it for the course listing module. Now I'm going to show you some other widgets that I have. So if you click on the elements, you'll see that you have the option to add a buy now button. So for using this, you need to have the course ID. So I don't have any specific course added here, so I'm not going to do that. You can also have the offer button here. So basically in the funnel pages, when you're adding one-click offers after someone purchases your course, you can do that. And in the Creator LMS checkout button, you can use this widget to design your own checkout page. So for example, I'm saving this. So let's go back. Let's add another page. I'm going to show you how it works. So this is an example. So I'm just going to click on section, and let's say I'm adding the buy now button. So for the buy now button, I have to add a course. So for example, I'm adding the digital marketing for beginners, and you can literally design your courses and add the buy now button anywhere you want. Now let's say I want to show you the checkout. So this is how the checkout widget works. This is the pre-built checkout that we have in Creator LMS. And you can embed this checkout in any page you want. If you have a pre-designed page for your checkout that matches your brand, you can do that. And for the offer button, let me show you how it works. It will appear as an offer button. You can add the course that you want, and if you want to accept or decline any offer. So this basically works for the one-click upsell that we have. I'm adding the link to the one-click upsell to my description box. You can always go ahead and find it. So that's about it for the Bricks widgets that we have. and we integrated with the bricks builder. So that's it. Now it's very easy to use these widgets to design your course details, listing page, or maybe your funnel pages. Very easy. Now go ahead and try it out and let us know in the comment box how you liked it. And let all the Bricks community know about this new update so that everyone can go ahead and start using Creator LMS. Subscribe to our channel to know about these videos. Take care until then.